Yo, here's how actually I didn't make anything. Wait, hold on, wait. Ding. Okay. Um, I didn't take any trades today. Uh, Market definitely saw some opportunity. I saw some opportunity in the market, but I would have got stopped out break even, and I mean, if I would have not done break even, I would have been really close to getting stopped out. My full TP was up here, but I'll get into it why I wanted this to happen and what I saw this morning. So, yeah. My bad. So, what does Aiden see this morning? In the day, or coming into the day, of course, I'm seeing these imbalances, right? On the 4 hour, we have this imbalance right here. I honestly wanted to see this get inversed and run to the downside, which we literally did on both assets. We kind of respected on here, which is also like another reason I didn't trade today was because the market was really disoriented, and when that happens, like, you are going to expect choppy, if not choppy, then whack price action. All right, so we got the inversion off that, right, and we respected this. So I was extremely bullish today, or bearish. My bad. I was really bearish today. Wanted to see shorts present themselves, and this really helped actually. Like, if I go on the 5-minute chart, we had this SMT right here that caused us to rally low, tapping back into a fair value gap, right? So after seeing, us rally down, I didn't take anything because there's nothing to take here. Hop on the 2-minute. I mean, there's this right here, but I mean, I guess that's a valid like entry point. I guess SMT changing the state of delivery, but like at the same time, my entry is going to be down here, and my target's going to be hourly lows. What my stop going to be? This is going to be what kind of RR? Okay, it's a 1-to-1, but like, this isn't the ideal entry point. Not what I really want. It's like not my style. So after seeing us dump with nothing, right? No setups, no nothing. I'm like, all right, we took out sell side now. Putting another SMT in, right? Like, clear SMT right here. Took out these lows. Let me actually move lower. Boom. Boom. SMT's right there. And we respected this bullish fair value gap again. So I'm bullish now. I flipped my bias. Very bullish now. But we started chopping around, right? And so once we get this liquidity sweep, we just wigged into it. I wanted to see a full body closure, aka a money sweep, right? Why? Because we didn't fully sweep it. We haven't fully swept the low. We come and sweep this internal low to get that full sweep. And what is this? The low of day. This is the low of day today. With that, I can set my standard deviations. Where's my price target going to be? Oh, looks like it's this internal high. Okay. Now, price is low-key rallying up. I mean, it's chopping up towards it. But I knew with how price was acting and how disoriented price was, or the assets at least, we're at all-time highs on ES. And NQ is obviously not. So it's going to obviously want to be a six sister and travel up. What did I see here? Any potential here? Yes, I saw some potential. This 1 minute for value gap was the only thing that I saw. And I honestly wanted to take it, but the only reason I wasn't going to take it was because we got a bullish candle closure below it, right? So we have bearish pressure. We dip down, and then when we fully close above it, it's already 3 candles in, right? And it's just not a clean trade to me. But if I had the position set up, y'all saw it, lows right here. And then my targets, because I'm not gonna target my full TP when we're chopping around like this. Like, I would still be in the trade to this very moment, and it's 10:35, and we're like, we haven't even hit full TP. You know what I'm saying? And I would have got stop break even either way, but because we have these unfilled 5 minutes, or had unfilled 5 minutes, So bang, break even right there. And then we have the unfilled 15 minute. A lot of just a lot of okay, a lot of bearish pressure, you know, like bearish confluence. So that's another reason I didn't want to like enter when I saw it, just because I mean it's gonna smack full TP, I already know, but like it's literally gonna, like, when it does I'll show y'all. But pretty, like, this is honestly a solid trade, honestly. So I'm gonna go over what I saw exactly and why I wanted to see this. So obviously I was bearish. We just dump after an SMT with a sweep on ES. But after seeing the dump, I'm like, all right, we just took out a sell side level. Let's see if longs want to play out, because obviously, you know, like liquidity, if you understand how liquidity works, you understand why I want to see this happen. So this would have been my trade. It would have been 1.3 RR, pretty solid trade. So we shoot down, take out the lows on NQ, putting in an SMT with ES, right? And where is that? It's in a bullish PD array, so even more confluence to push higher, right? And it's also our money sweep. And we have this manipulation leg down with a fair value gap in it. And then there's our price target, right? And we have unmitigated gaps on the 5 and 15 minute chart. Pretty solid. Like it was honestly a pretty solid trade. Only thing is, I would have got stop break even, right? So break even at the first unfilled 5 minute, full TP at the unfilled 15 minute. Boom, hits the break even, dips down, almost stops the whole thing out, but then realized the TP. So it would have been a break even day anyways. So that's why I'm not tripping on it too much. But pretty solid day, bro. I mean, we left previous day lows, right? It was a pretty big draw. It's Friday. What am I expecting to see come Monday? Well, Monday and Tuesday we have no news. The government is currently shut down. I'm not expecting to see much, honestly. I'm expecting to see a bunch of consolidation, a lot of ranging, accumulating until the news. That way we can manipulate and accumulate, or I'm sorry, distribute. But honestly, pretty solid day. You know, a little advice now on dealing with FOMO. Like, you have to understand that you are exactly where you are meant to be right now. Okay. Sorry, I went to bed late last night. You have to understand you are where you are right now on purpose. If you have an idea or a vision in your head, you will get to that because, and if you're not religious or anything, I mean that's you know, that's your personal opinion or whatever. But speaking from my standpoint, you are being blessed by God, a vision of where you want to take your life. And God will never give you anything you can't handle. Okay? God puts you in every position for a specific reason. If you're struggling with anything, it's for a reason. Because God knows that you can handle this, right? Whether it's addiction, quick to anger, anything. He gives you these because He knows you can handle them and overcome them. And only then, once you overcome them, you can ascend to a higher level and get closer to where you really want to be. And like, that's part of the reason I didn't take this trade, obviously, because I didn't see a clean inverse, right? But I'm not in any rush to do anything. I have everything I need right now. I have everything I need right now. I don't need anything. Trading and getting money and stuff like that is just extra things to add on to what I already have. But I already have everything I need. I don't need anything else. I have a roof over my head, clothes on my back. I have Jesus. You know, I have water in a. I don't even need this water bottle, but I have it. You know. Like there's there's a lot of things that people take for granted. Like, why do you think that people in unknown tribes are so happy? They don't have any value attached to anything really, besides what they do in their day-to-day life, which is just hunt, enjoy their family, And I don't know, um, so like with trading, especially how to deal with FOMO, you have to detach yourself from the dollar and attach yourself to the process. The sooner you can submit to what is and stop thinking about what can be, that is when you will start seeing your success. Um, and simply because the man that enjoys the walk will always walk further than the man that enjoys the destination. You have to, like, take yourself. I don't know how new you are trading. Take yourself and compare yourself to the you 6 months ago. Have you progressed? There's a lot of different things that you have to, like. I've been trading for I have been trading for 2 years, right? I look back at myself a year ago, and I think, man, what was I even doing? Trading can be so simple, and we choose to overcomplicate it, bro. We choose to overcomplicate it. Um, it's really as simple as follow your rules. Like, you see this? I saw it running off with me, and I'm like, okay. You have to have the mindset where I would rather price run off without me than to enter stupid late and inevitably get stopped out. Right? That's emotional. You have to detach your emotions from your chart. Right? Obviously, we're all human. We all have emotions. But the sooner you can get over the fact that you just want to make some money rather than build good habits, build a routine, discipline, things that will help you off the charts, the sooner you can realize that's what you have to do, the sooner you will see success. And you shouldn't even be chasing success at this point. Success is inevitable to those who do what is right. Genuinely. How can someone be successful without doing the things that they need to do? Right? Oh, I want to go and smoke weed. I want to go and vape. I can become successful while smoking and vaping. Okay, why aren't you then? You know what I'm saying? These things have you in a chokehold. They have you in a chokehold, and you think you can get over them. Not over them. You think you can do what you want to do while holding on to them. You have to die to the old version of yourself. You have to realize that you need to become a completely different person to see progress in yourself. There is levels to progression, right? I mean, like, obviously there's big steps forward and small steps forward, but the quicker you can realize that you are trapped by something, fear, FOMO, anxiety, greed, the quicker you can realize that, the quicker you will be able to let go, fix your mistakes, and succeed. Okay? Bit of a little rant at the end of this, but it's just, I really love this, bro. I really love trading. I love everything about this, and I know that it's like maybe 2 people watching this, but those 2 people, I hope that it's impacting you guys. I really hope that this is making an impact, because being able to help people change their lives, right, while I'm currently changing my own life, it's a beautiful thing. Like yesterday, my manager at work, because yes, I'm employed still, right? I mean, I'm not at the point where I want to be, but like, again, just taking it one day at a time. It's gonna happen eventually. Mark my words. But my manager saw my TikToks, and he asked me to teach him how to trade. The beauty of seeing a full adult man that has higher authority than me in the workplace. He has a higher position, higher authority, right? Coming to me and asking me to teach him how to do what I'm doing. And the fact that I can go and I can help him is such a beautiful thing, bro. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. And like, anybody that ever asks for help, like, seeing profits is cool, but once you actually can help people, you will know what true wealth is, which is helping people and giving back. Genuinely, that's what true wealth is. I stand by that. It feels so good. But I'm done with this rant, guys. I'm gonna head off. I'm gonna head out. I'll catch you on Monday. Unless I upload something on the weekend, I don't know. Maybe I should. Who knows? I'll catch y'all later. Peace out, guys.